All right, we're starting off with our family size cream of mushroom in our crock pot. I'm now coming in with 1 bag of our home style frozen meatballs right in there with that cream of mushroom. This is such an easy and delicious crock pot dinner. We're gonna add 1 onion dice. Make sure you get all of that out right in there. Yummy. We have some minced garlic, and we're just gonna scoop as much garlic as we want in there. You guys know I love garlic, so we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of garlic right in there. Oh, this smells amazing already. I have my 8 ounces of sour cream, and we are just dumping this all in our crock pot. This is so easy, so yummy, so great for those fall nights where you just want something easy to whip up and that tastes delicious. So get all that sour cream in there. Do not worry, we will mix this. But first we're gonna grab our measuring cup and our beef stock. I'm doing the no salt added, and we're gonna add 2 cups of our beef stock right into our crock pot with those meatballs, that cream of mushroom, the onions, the garlic, the sour cream. This is gonna be delicious. All right, that's 2 cups right on the line, and we're pouring that whole thing right in there. Yummy. Now to add a little bit more flavor, I have my A1 steak sauce, and we're just gonna eyeball this and get a little bit in there. That should be good. This stuff is strong, so you don't need too much. We're adding our wash your sister sauce. This is optional, but I love this stuff, especially with anything kind of beef oriented. I just feel like it adds some great flavor. But we're not done yet. I have some Dijon mustard, and we're gonna add about 1/4 a cup of mustard right in there. I'm eyeballing it. I always eyeball my ingredients. That's just the way I like to cook, but you can measure it out if you prefer. It's honestly just to taste, and that is the beauty of this recipe. Like, it's enough. Now we're gonna season this up super quickly. Of course, we're gonna add some black pepper to this because black pepper makes everything better. And then we're gonna add some onion powder to complement those onions in there. Just a nice little sprinkle of each of them. I know it might seem like I'm seasoning too much, but trust me, you want to taste those flavors. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt. I know I did the unsalted broth, but you gotta have a little bit of salt or else it won't taste good. Okay, we're gonna come back in with our little spatula and give this a generous mix. Make sure that cream of mushroom, that sour cream, that mustard all gets mixed together. It should create a creamy sauce. Oh my goodness, this is so easy, so tasty. You guys have to try this. Oh, so great for back to school. When you don't want to worry about dinner, you can just throw this together and your kids will love it. All right, I think that looks like it's mixed together well enough. I'm gonna go ahead and grab our lid, and we're gonna pop this on high. All right, it's been 2 hours on high. We're gonna keep that on high for now, but let's open this up. Oh my, it smells incredible. We're gonna give this a nice good mix. I can tell everything is heated up. Those onions are cooked. Everything looks good, smells good. This is exactly what we wanted it to look like. All right, now that we gave that a good, nice mix, it's time to add our egg noodles. And we're adding these in raw, the whole bag. And now it's time to mix it into that sauce with those meatballs. Oh my goodness. And this is gonna cook super quick because those egg noodles are pretty small. So that is the beauty of this. You can completely pre-cook your pasta and just add it in and serve it, but I like things to be super easy, less dishes this way. So let's make sure we get this nice and fully mixed. All right, that looks perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our lid back on for just 30 more minutes. All right, our stroganoff is ready. Oh my, look at that steam. Those noodles actually cooked a lot quicker than I thought. It only was in there for like 20 more minutes. It's so fast, so easy. 2 hours and 20 minutes is all you need for the slow cooker. And now we're gonna just top this off with a little bit of fresh parsley because that will just add some great color and some great flavor. And we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top. Oh, it looks so good, beautiful. All right, time to serve this up with the meatballs, the noodles, the onions. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It smells really, really good. All right, start with that. We can always add more. Pasta. Perfect bite. Oh my goodness. That is tasty. You guys are gonna really like this.